Hello there, I'm going to show you how to order soil testing, laboratory soil testing from SimpleLab. It's very easy. A couple of clicks will get you started. First place you want to be is gosimpleLab.com. When you go there, you'll have a couple of options for getting started. I find the easiest thing to do is go up here and click Shop Tests. You'll see a bunch of different matrices or categorizations of testing types. Go ahead and click Soil. That will take you to the shopping page where we list all of the soil testing services available through SimpleLab. Now, all of the test kits listed here are soil test kits. We've chosen soil up top. You can filter this down by a number of different ways, either by matrix, by the analyte. So maybe you want to search for soil tests that include lead. I will type in lead, enter it there. Now we've cut down the list dramatically to just 5. We have 5 soil testing kits available through SimpleLab: a heavy metal soil test kit, low-level CAM 17 test kit, a rush version of that, so it results faster. Let's go ahead and click the CAM 17 metals soils test. Each one of the soil test kits will have a page like this, product page, that will tell you, hey, how long is it going to take to ship? How long is it going to be tested? When are you going to get results back? What analytes are included? You scroll down here and you can see what has been tested for: antimony, arsenic, barium, beryllium, cadmium, chromium. The full list of testing of analytes that are being tested, the method, the minimum detection level and reporting level. Similar test kits that you saw on the prior page right here. And if you find the test kit that makes the most sense for your needs, it's as simple as adding it to the cart. Now you can add multiple if you're sampling multiple places. You can add multiple, put 2 in the cart. Proceed to your cart. And this must have been here from a previous section. Microplastics water test, I will remove. Proceed to checkout. And now we're living in the modern world of e-commerce, where you will either, as a returning customer, enter in your name and password, or as a new customer, sign up. You can even check out as a guest if you don't want to tell us, if you don't want to create an account. When you create an account, it just makes it a little bit easier to set the privacy settings on your report and kind of customize other elements of the way you manage your tests and the way you manage your account. But if you want to check out as a guest, that is totally awesome as well. And checking out really is a familiar process by now, I hope, for you. You'll enter your email address, name, contact information, choose a shipping. There's shipping is included both ways, free, but if you want to speed up the shipping, we give you that option too. When you complete this process, you're going to get a sampling kit in the mail. I wonder if I can show you an image of what one of these might look like. I mean, this is a water testing kit, but if I go up here to residential, depending on the type of test kit you order, it'll come in a styrofoam, a cooler, a box. Inside that box, you'll have shipping label that you'll use to send back. You'll have things like gloves or ice packs or other preservatives, everything you need to collect the sample, and as well as paper copies of a chain of custody. So who took the sample, where was the sample taken from, and when was it shipped back in. All that information kind of is the comprehensive process from ordering to all the materials you need for sample collection, shipping it back to the lab so that the lab can run the analysis thoroughly and accurately. And you're going to always make sure with SimpleLab that you get every material that you need inside of every kit. Here's roughly how this works. When you order online, the process I was just showing you a moment ago, again, no account needed, no hidden fees. You order, everything is included in that one price. You collect your sample. We give you everything you need to collect your sample. You're going to get certified laboratory testing done on the other end once it arrives, and you'll get a report back. Easy to understand, super helpful with color-coded descriptions of if something is high or if something is low in your test results, so that you're not left wondering, what do these reports mean? And in all cases, you can talk to us, because everything we do, we have a live chat window where you can speak to a human being through live chat. You can email us, you can call us on the phone. We're not afraid to talk with you about your questions. We want to be helpful, whether you're an individual at home or you're sampling and testing for work as a professional. We are going to be here to help make sure you not only pick the right test kits, but you understand how the process works and that the results you get back make sense, are useful, We want this process to be seamless. We want you to have answers you trust from labs you trust, and we want you to try GoSimpleLab.com. So if you're looking to test something in your soil, or if you're looking to test something else in your home or at work, go to GoSimpleLab.com, give it a try, and if you have questions, put them in the comment section below, or email us hello@GoSimpleLab.com, or like I said earlier, go to our website, talk to us in live chat. We are here to help. Happy testing.